Hi, this is the week 9 Friday presentation, and I yeah, I'm in the so this week we're looking at some astronomy data sets. So I guess this is all the not all, like a part of the stars or like planets that discovered by human being for the past I don't know 20, 30 years. So yeah, and what I'm actually interested in is I actually interested that through the development of technology, can human being detect the further planets than before, and can human being see how like some difficult planet, which means they're darker, they're um, they're difficult to be discovered, or like or through the light, so it takes time for the light to come to the earth. So if there is a planets all over the um, all over other side of the universe, which takes that much of time, the light year, to come to earth, can human being like find it as soon as possible, the light of that from that planet come to the earth, which is sounds quite, I don't know if that makes sense or not, but yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I looked over the distance and the discovery year. So this is the discovery year and the distance of every planet that discovered. So you can see that through the development technology and the distance human being can actually detect outside of the outside of our solar system is like outside even the galaxy, I guess. So it's further and further, and there is a giant breakpoint at the year of a 2000. I will say it's 2004, because I actually get some different data from the year of 2004. So yeah, and I'm actually this is very interesting because I wonder what happened in year of 2004 makes people or makes scientists to get this breakthrough. So and after that, I'm actually looking over the method. So there are different kind of detection method, and you know about several months ago, I remember NASA shared a bunch of super beautiful images to show like what's looks like in a universe. And I don't know if you still remember that. That was a big thing because was the new type of telescope in the from NASA. So the new telescope took those pictures, and then then NASA shared it with people. So I was actually interested in that kind of thing. So I actually choose to detect the image. So the detection of a detecting image to look at all the discovery year and the distance. So it looks like that there's only certain range of the detection that we can actually look over. So from the dark image, for example, if you see here, the range is from zero, or of course not below zero, from zero to around over 25,000 light year, which is pretty far. But here for the direct image, people can only see like not over a little bit over 600 light years. So which is actually interesting because uh, well, it's not surprising because it's a dark image. So how long you expect the from 1,000 light year or like 110,000 light year away, you can get a clear image out there. So it's actually not that um, it's not that surprising because you can only the light from recent years. So you can see from the year of 2004, which is I mentioned probably there is a big breakthrough of 2004 because that's when the direct map started, I guess, and the other detection mode started, and so to the year of 2020. So you see, there isn't a pattern for directed uh, image that through the development of technology, people are discovering further and further. Uh, no, actually, so you can see the distribution is pretty around the same, and you can see them back into the later years. There are less and less stars or planets people are actually discovered because you know before people are already discovered the easy ones, and so the hard ones, I guess, are left over. So uh, so I actually expect there is a less percent of a year after maybe 2017. So people are discover less um, planets by using direct image. So yeah, and also I looked over the this is the mass multiplier, which means I guess people are discovering uh, heavier and heavier planets. So you see there is an outlier at this point. I don't know which one that one is. So I actually picked that out and I'll look it over the um, mass multiplier. This is actually also by directed image, and you see there aren't a lot of difference between the distance and the mass multiplier. So I guess yeah. So my conclusion for this data is through the year, people are actually using the technology to discover further and further like planets, but it really depends on the method you're using. So if you're using the image one, so there's a limitation you can find the planets. Outside that, probably you're not gonna find a clear image. So otherwise, inside inside the limitation of the image method, you can find there are some easy ones, there are some hard ones. So yeah, and that will be this video, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.